Welcome 11th standard students. Subject mathematics. Paper first. Continue with video for lecture determinant and matrices. Lesson determinant and matrices consist of following concepts. First, determinant with definitions and how to get values of determinant for order 2 or order 3. Next, minors and cofactors of a determinant. Then third concept, properties of determinants. There are 7 properties in this determinant. To evaluate problems very shortly. Next part, applications of determinants. Up to 10th standard, you have learned one of the application, that is solving linear equations in two variables by Cramer's rule. In this lesson, you will study more applications related to determinants. After that, second concept, matrices, introduction, definition of matrices and types of matrices. Next concept, operations on matrices. Operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication by scalar, or multiplication of two matrices. Then properties of matrices. These concepts you have to learn in this lesson. Let us start with introduction of this lesson. Theory of matrices was developed by mathematician Arthur Cayley. Matrices are useful in expressing numerical information in compact form. They are effectively used in expressing different operators. Hence, in subject economics, statistics, and computer science, they are essential. In this video, we are going to continue concept of matrices. Concept related to determinants already explained in my previous videos. Definitions for matrices. Rectangular arrangement of m into n numbers in m rows and n columns enclosed in either square bracket or open brackets is called as matrix, and this matrix is of order m by n. Total elements m into n, they are arranged in m rows and n columns, and this arrangement of elements is enclosed by closed brackets or open brackets. Matrix by itself does not have a value or any special meaning. Matrix is simply arrangement of elements in that bracket. You all learn concept of determinant and calculated actual value for determinant. Here in matrix, there is only arrangement of elements. Order of matrix is denoted by m by n. I am reading as m by n. So read as m by n simply. Each member of matrix is called an element of the matrix. Matrices are generally denoted by capital letters A, B, C like this, and their elements are denoted by elements A, I, J, B, I, J, C, I, J. Depends on name of matrix, and suffix ij related to the position, number of columns, and number of rows. Aij element is generally from the ith row and jth column of the matrix. Some examples are given here. Check matrices. First matrix A, elements 1, 2, 2, 1, which are expressed in the 2 rows and 2 columns. Order is 2 by 2. Next matrix B, elements are expressed in 1 row, 3 columns. Order 1 by 3. Matrix C, elements expressed in 2 rows and 3 columns. Order 2 by 3. So the matrices is a simply arrangement of elements between the brackets, and that brackets are open, otherwise closed. Let us continue with type of matrices. First type of matrix is row matrix. A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. Example here. Before that, order for that matrix, row matrix, expressed as 1 by n. There is compulsory one row, number of columns whatever be given. That number must be greater than or equal to 1. Check here. First matrix A provided elements 2, 4. They are expressed in one row and 2 columns. Hence, order of matrix is 1 by 2. One more matrix you can see this. Matrix B. Elements 2, 4, minus 5. They are arranged in one row and 3 columns. Its order is 1 by 3. This is first type of matrix, row matrix. Elements are expressed in one row. Second type, column matrix. Yes, yes, correctly. Elements of the matrix are expressed in only one column. That is called as column matrix. Examples for this matrix. Check order is expressed as m by 1, m value greater than or equal to 1. Elements are expressed in only one column. Elements of matrix A in 2 rows, 1 columns, order 2 by 1. Next matrix B, elements expressed in 3 rows and 1 column, order 3 by 1. Next, continue with type 0 matrix, that is also known as null matrix. Simple thing, 0 matrix, all elements of matrix are 0. Whatever be its order, all elements compulsory 0. Check. This 0 matrix notation used by simply 0. 0 matrix expressed as here for order 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns, all elements are 0. One more sum. 0 matrix order 2 by 3. Elements expressed in 2 rows and 3 columns, all are 0. So simple thing, 0 matrix is a matrix having all elements are zeros. Next type of matrix, square matrix. Word is square. Simple thing, square means all sides are equal, geometrical shape. So for matrix, number of rows and number of columns are same. That is said to be a square matrix. So definition given here, matrix with equal number of rows and columns is called a square matrix. Example first, number of rows, 2 rows, 2 columns, square matrix. One more sum, let us see, matrix B, express elements in 3 rows and 3 columns, order 3 by 3. Next type of matrix, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, it is a type of square matrix. So square matrix in which every non-diagonal element is 0 is called a diagonal matrix. Observe here, matrix A, we have to consider only one diagonal, this 1 and 4 elements, diagonal from left side. diagonal elements exist and non-diagonals are compulsory 0. This is for 2 by 2. Let us see one more example for order 3 by 3. Elements in 3 by 3. Only diagonal elements exist. Non-diagonals all are zeros. Shortcut way. Diagonal matrix expressed as in short diagonal DIAG and diagonal elements separated by comma 1 comma 4. Same way for second matrix you can also write as the diagonal 2 comma 5 comma 7. Check meaning of diagonal matrix. Next type of matrix, scalar matrix. Scalar, it is a type of diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, all elements are only diagonal exist, non-diagonal 0. Same for scalar also, only diagonals are exist, non-diagonal 0. But diagonal elements all are the same, that is the same scalar. Check definition here. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are same, it is called as scalar matrix. Example, check this matrix A, diagonal element 5 5, same diagonal element, non-diagonals are 0. This is a scalar matrix. For order 2 by 2 also, and next for order 3 by 3. Okay, this diagonal element is given here -2. Next diagonal elements are also -2. Due to video you will be unable to see elements. So simply scalar matrix is a type of diagonal matrix in which all diagonal elements are same. So in today's session, you have learned definition related to the matrices, and total 6 type of matrices are learned. To know more about type of matrices, watch next video.